Tonight, on a very special Sandwich Dad. Hello. You know, they say Philadelphia is the city of brotherly love, and there are two sandwich brothers, the one we all know quite well, but there is another. So move over, cheese steak. It's time for Philly's roast pork to take center stage, or stage as we call it in the industry. First, we have to go back in time a bit, because I made some other stuff earlier. First, we enlist some child labor to get some onions and garlic going. Then we take our herb and salt rubbed pork roast, put it in the oven for a couple hours, comes out like that. Let's let it cool. Bake some semolina rolls. And once the roast is cooled, we can reheat and stir up our juices. Now we can thinly slice up the roast pork and warm it up. And while that's warming up, then we'll heat up some olive oil, throw in some garlic, a red pepper flake, toss in our broccoli rabe. Next, we'll slice open our semolina roll. Add a little bit of that. Provolone to the broiler. Season up our rabe with a little lemon. We can start to assemble by piling on our nice hot roast pork. A little more of that juice on top. Our broccoli rabe. Now, put it together. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, and I didn't bring out my tripod today. And look at that. Thing of beauty. Diagonally, but actually the sandwich is on an angle, so straight across. And reveal. Man, that's nice. Actually never had one of these before. Time for the taste test. Oh yes. Now I've got to get to Philly and try the real thing. Visit my friend Patty Truth, maybe. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day.